my bed. Ain't gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look too thirsty. Put your drink, got me feeling where you at. Make you feel love, then it gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Then it gotta be.
Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, it is yet another Shopmissa haul. And I got quite a few things because this is all the stuff that I purchased on Black Friday. They had a 25% off of everything, and their stuff is like almost almost all of their items are $1, so you're basically paying 75 cents for everything. Like, that's a freaking steal. So if you want to see what I got from Shopmissa, then just keep on watching. Okay, so here is the bag. It is ginormous. It like covers my face and more. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so they definitely upgraded their packaging. Like, look at this. I don't even know how I'm supposed to get my stuff out of here. Okay, so let me figure this out, and then I will be back with the first thing that I got. Okay, so I basically just cut a line right through the middle, and it deflated, and then I cut a line through the package that was inside of the bubble thing. Okay, it's open, so let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I got, I'm gonna let you guys know, I got a whole bunch of hair accessories because I'm obsessed with them. So first thing I grabbed is this pack of 2 marbled scrunchies. Like, look at how freaking cute. They feel really nice and soft, and yeah, so these were $1/75. Then I got this large pink textured scrunchie because I love pink and it is super soft. And then I got this like pink suede one that's like textured as well. I got this like nudie polka dot headband, and that's super cute. Probably put this on now. I like that. Okay, I'm gonna leave that on. Next, I got a pink like headband. I love using these for when I do a face mask, or when I'm applying my makeup to hold my hair back, or when I'm cleansing my face in the bathroom or in the shower and I don't want my hair to get wet. I will use these. So I got quite a few of these in different colors. So I got a pink one, a hot pink one, a red one, a very nice bright vibrant red one. I got a navy blue one, although on camera it looks a little bit brighter, but it is a nice deep dark blue. I got this cute like cheetah print polka dot one in a like the cream shade, but it has like animal print on it. Super cute, and these are all super soft. And then I got your everyday average black one. So I got another one of those like suede textured scrunchies. This is just in like a lighter shade. I believe this was like a creamy nude shade. I know they look really similar, but you could definitely tell this one's lighter. I got another one in white. And then I got these cat ears also for when I'm doing makeup. I can just put my hair back and have something cute on my head. I did have one of these from Dollar General, but it broke, so hopefully these last me longer. So I believe that's all the headbands that I got. So let's move on to the other stuff. So first I got this really makeup sponge holder in rose gold. This was just $1. They do have different colors. Basically, this just holds your sponge when it's drying, when you're doing your makeup and you don't want to put it on your desk. This will come in handy. Next, I got the AOA Studio Gel Eyeliner in dark brown. It's basically just a dark brown liner. I would use this on my waterline. I am almost done with my Milk Makeup one in the shade CL, which is a dark brown, so I figured I need another one. So let's try this one, and it's only $1. So I purchased the AOA Studio Makeup Sharpener. I don't know what's going on with me, but I have like 10 sharpeners now. Before I couldn't find one, and now I have one everywhere. I have one in my makeup bag, one in my makeup drawers, one in my vanity, one in my bathroom, and I don't know where I'm gonna put this one, but I'm gonna find a spot, or it might just be a backup. I got 3 of the AOA Studio Nude Color Soft Base Eye Primers. So I got 1 for me and then 2 for my upcoming giveaways. If you don't know, I plan on doing monthly giveaways. I was supposed to do one for December, but there's so much stuff going on, it's probably not going to happen. So this will start most likely in January. So I'm going to be adding anywhere from 1 to 5 items in the monthly giveaways, and there's always going to be obviously 1 item at minimum, and the item is always going to be a palette, whether it's a small palette, a large palette, or whatever the case may be. So I will incorporate either a eyeshadow base or some lashes or a lash tool or a mascara maybe, you know, just to give you something to go along with the palette. So I got 2 of these for my upcoming giveaways, so make sure you're subscribed because they are monthly giveaways and you have to be subscribed obviously to enter. Next I got the AOA Studio glitter adhesive. This is light and creamy, no sparkle left behind. It says that it minimizes the glitter fallout. This was $188, but with the sale it was like $141 I believe, so super steal. And I don't really have a glitter adhesive. I normally use eyelash glue, so I figured why not get something specifically for glitter. Also those primers were $188 as well. So I got another lash glue because I believe I don't have any more of my clear AOA Studio lash adhesive. I'm using my last one right now, so this one is mine. I think I have black eyelash glue backups for the giveaways. So I got another one of those dark brown gel liners. Again, this will also probably be incorporated with a palette in a giveaway. So I know that they were selling these in sets for like $5 something I think, or $6 maybe, but they have them now in singles, and this is just a reusable straw. I got mine in pink because I love pink. I'm about to use it right now. Oh, but I got lipstick on. Do you think if I put lipstick on this it'll come off? I don't want to ruin it. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse it out and then I'll be back. I rinsed the straw, got myself a fresh cup of water. I obviously got lipstick on it, but it's pink and it's cute and I like it. Okay, so yeah, they were selling those individually, so of course I picked one up. Next I got another one of their AOA Studio buildable satin foundations, but I got this in the shade Amber. I have the shade Honey, which works for me right now, but in the summertime, or if I get a little bit tanner, I need a shade to mix in with it because it is a bit on the lighter side. So I got the shade Amber. I also got a little pack of tattoos, so I'm probably gonna try to see how it looks here, or maybe somewhere around here on my little butterflies. This was $1, so I figured why not. I swear I'm a little kid. Okay, and the last 2 products in this haul are brush sets. So I got 2, one for me, one for you. So this is going to be incorporated in my 1000 subscriber giveaway, along with a really colorful palette that I have used on this channel. Leave a comment down below if you can guess what palette I'm talking about. I will give you a hint. It is red. So let me open one of these and show you guys how they look. So I already have one of these in pink. This is what their pink brushes look like. Super cute, and they are very soft and fluffy, and they are white haired brushes. These are probably one of my favorites, like in my top 3 type of favorite brushes are these. So these are, I believe, like $10 and some change, and it does come with the case. So I'm gonna leave the other one on the plastic for the giveaway. The set is obviously mine. That was really hard to take off, but it'll be secure. They do come with 10 brushes. Same brushes you get in the pink one, they're just black. So you get some really good eye brushes, a eyebrow brush, and a pencil brush, some smudger brushes, some flat brushes, but a lot of fluffy blending brushes. Super handy. So when I saw that they were having a 25% off sale, I was like, let me grab one for me, because I've been eyeing them. Even though I already have them in pink, I just wanted them in black. I was like, let me grab two so I can give one away to you guys. So yeah, make sure that you are subscribed to enter the monthly giveaway. Also, again, you have to be subscribed to enter my 1000 sub giveaway. I am starting to get stuff now because I was just at 500 subscribers and now I'm about to be at 8. So I feel like we're gonna be at 1000 in no time. So I got to start accumulating my stuff now for that giveaway. So yeah, if you like this video, drop a thumbs up, comment down below what you guys think. Also, make sure you take that guess about what palette I'm talking about. That's going to be incorporated in the 1000 sub giveaway. Again, the hint is it is red and I have used it on this channel before. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you are. Staying safe, staying blessed, and I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Can you play that again?
Give me some fire, baby.